Welcome to Evenx theme. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the footer template of the theme. You will be learning how to change the logo, description, social icon, copyright text, and the background image. I don't want to hold you up anymore, let's get into it. Go to your dashboard, after that Elements Kit, Header Footer Template. From here, click Footer. From the footer list, open the footer. Click Edit. After that, you'll find the condition template. The first input box is the title and the second one is the type. From here, you can select header or footer. As we are working with a footer and we want our content to show at the bottom of the page, so we like to use footer. After that, the condition box comes in. By default, it will be selected entire site, but you can make it singular or archive pages. If you go to singular, on that time you'll have another input box. From here you can select all singulars for the front page, all post, all pages, or for the selective singulars. From the selective singulars, you can specifically select any page where you want to show the footer. But I want to show the footer for the entire page, so I'd like to select entire site. After that, make sure it's activated, then click Save Changes and Edit Content. You'll end up to the footer template page. From here you can change anything you want. Let's see how to change the logo. Click on the logo. In the left side, you'll find the options to choose a new logo. Click on it, then you can upload a new logo or you can select from your existing library. After you select the logo, click Insert Media, but I want to keep the present logo, so I'll click Cancel. After that, you have the image size option, alignment option, caption, and the link. Here the most important two options is the logo and the link. From the link, you need to specify which page you want to add. Go to Custom URL, and from here I want to select the home page. So I'll write home and select the home page. After that, if you go to Style, there you'll have the option to work with the logo width, max width, and the height. You can also work with the opacity and the hover. If you go to hover, there you'll have another option which is the hover animation. From here, let's select pulse, and if you hover on it, there you can see the logo has a pulse animation. I don't want to use any animation right now, so I'll delete it and make it as it was. After that, you have the border option, border radius option, and the box shadow option. After you make all of your changes for the logo, click Update. Now if you want to change this text, click on it, and there you'll have the options to change this text. If you want to increase its font size, then go to Style, Title, then open the typography control. From here, you can work with the font size, font family, and some other controls like the width, transform, line height, and the letter spacing. I want to keep these settings unchanged. After that, open the social media, and in the left side, you'll find some list. Open any of them, and inside of it, you'll find the option to change the logo, label, and social media profiles URL. There you can also work with the normal color and the color on hover. In order to change the copyright text, click on it, and there you have the option to work with it. To change the Evenx URL, or in order to add a new URL to the Evenx text, go to Text, and there you'll find the option under the href attribute. There is a link inside of the quotation sign. You need to change the link here if you want to add a new one. After that, don't forget to update it. Now one last thing that I want to talk about is the background image. In order to change it, go to the main section, after that Style, then go to Background Overlay, and from here you can change the background image. If you want to delete it, just click this delete button, but I want to keep the background image. To change the background color, go to the background control, and there you have the option. It's selected white. If you want to work with the back to top button, there is another section in the bottom. Click on it, or right click over here, then go to Navigator. After that, there you'll find Evenx back to top. Click on it, and there you have the back to top button icon, and normal settings, and the hover settings. So this is all about the settings you need to know in order to work with a footer. Now there is another option to access the footer, which is from the customizer. Go to your font page, after that click Customize. You can go to Customize from your dashboard, after that Appearance, then you'll find the Customizer option. Now click on Customizer, then go to Theme Settings, after that Footer Settings, then enable the Footer Builder. After that, you need to choose the footer you want to add for your page. Let's go to the bottom. There is no footer. We have already seen the footer 1. Now let's see footer 3. So this is how the footer 3 look like. If you want to change this content, click Edit Content here. And there you'll find the similar page that we have already seen. This footer is not suitable for the default page. It was made for the conference page. So let's select the footer 1. Now every time when you work with a customizer footer template or header template, one thing happens. Go to your dashboard, then again go to Elements Kit, then Header Footer, and they will find all the templates is inactivated. Now one thing you have to make sure here is that if you use any of the template for any specific page, you need to reactive that one. As an example, imagine the header 2 has been used only for the conference page, so this one is inactivated right now. So what you can do, you can again click Edit and select the conference page. After that, click Active and save on. So this is how you can enable the header 1 for all the pages, but for the conference page you need to enable this one. Thank you for watching this video.